Let me just slide tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Speaks, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Wednesday! Happy Wednesday! Okay, guys, so this video right here, I'm not exactly sure how's it gonna go. Like, I'll be real, I'll be honest. I'm kind of winging it right now, to be honest. I have an announcement, and then I kind of just want to talk. I thought about going live, but then I was like, I keep getting interrupted. I don't know what's going on, but you have people going into lives and stuff and everything. So this is basically just, I don't even know what to title this video, but I don't know. Let's get into it. So if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Speaks. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding 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 that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have a Valentine's Day giveaway going on. This video will be going up after that video, and I can't wait till you guys see all the goodies that I'm giving away to you guys. Please make sure you click on the link in that video and listen to how to enter to win. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at SamanthaSpeaks100 if you have Instagram, and give the video a big thumbs up. Let's get into this video. Okay, so oh my goodness, I kind of don't know where to start. Okay, let's start with the good news. So the good news is that I talked to my marketing manager at Miss Erie, and marketing designer, she and I have decided we are going to put this Sweetie Squad, the purple and gold that you guys love with the Halloween vibes, into the Teespring orders. So you will be able to order this sweatshirt. We went ahead and put it in. So I'm so excited, because a lot of you guys, I could not believe how many of you guys were like, let me buy it off you, Samantha. Let me buy that sweatshirt. Let me buy the hoodie. Let me buy it. So I was like, you know what? No, Samantha Sweets is going to keep this one because this is an original made, and we're just going to put them back up. So they are now going to be back up Friday, the latest on Saturday. Now, I just want to address this real quick. I did not choose the prices of my hoodies and my t-shirts. Even my mom said that those were somewhat high, and I do apologize. The next tier, I am going to make them more affordable, but I don't know. I guess the way they wanted it to go was this way. $25 is a little high for a t-shirt, but I don't know. Like I said, I didn't really choose my prices. I really wanted my masks to be $5, and they were like, no, you got to make them at least 10 and everything. So it's like you're working through Teespring, but you're also working through, you know, people in your ear kind of, I guess, or whatever. But I don't know. Like I said, I did not choose my prices. But for the next time, I promise that they will be a lot more affordable. So I just want to say that. But I also want to say, for everybody that has ordered, because so many people have ordered their sweatshirts, so many people have ordered t-shirts, so many people have ordered masks. Oh my God, I can't wait to see everybody. It's just representing the Sweetie Squad. I'm so happy, so blessed. I actually wore mine today. I wore it all day long. I wore my sweatshirt, and I love it. It's so cozy and so warm. I don't know why people are saying that they're cheap material, because this is not cheap at all. This is nice and thick. It was 31 degrees where I would live today, and I wore this all day long with a t-shirt underneath with my jeans, and it's so comfy, so cozy. I really love it. I love the hood. I love everything about it. So I don't understand when people are saying that Teespring is kind of cheap. I guess people heard things, but this one, these right here, this is good. This is, I'm not like, I kind of feel like I was wearing my Jeffree Star one. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, it's nice and big. And I'm so glad I got extra large, because it was so nice and roomy, and it kind of like cuffed underneath my pants. So I'm very happy with the way that these sweatshirts turned out. But again, for everybody that bought theirs, thank you so much. So I was gonna do a Jeffree Star video. Honestly, I was wanting to, but I need my notes, and my notes are on my other phone, and I just looked at it, and it's at 12%. There's no way in heck I can make a whole Jeffree Star video on 12% of my phone battery. So of course I want it to be crisp and professional for you guys. So this video, like I said, I wasn't really sure exactly how or what I'm gonna say. I just want to say that I know that people come on YouTube to hear what they want to hear. You clicked on Samantha Sweets because you want to hear what I have to say. I talk about Ipsy. I talk about Boxycharm. I talk about makeup. I do makeup tutorials. I talk about the here and the now, the news, and I do crime stories. This is what you clicked on my channel for. You don't click on my channel for drama. You don't click on my channel for bullshit. You don't click on my channel for rant. You have your kids. You have your husbands. You have your wives. You have your relationships. You have your job. You have other stressful things that when you come to my channel, it's supposed to be, like, okay, I get my 10 minutes or however long my video is, I get my 10 minutes to myself. Let me relax. I know how it feels because YouTube is my escape sometimes too. However, I actually have become more into the whole Buffy region, so I literally will get everything done and then I'll lay in bed, click on Buffy, and watch Spike over and over. That's my escape. So I just understand where you guys are coming from. When you click on somebody, you want to watch them for them, not for their drama, not for their tears, not for their angry rants, not for that. So with that being said, I'm gonna simply just put out there, I am being as professional and mature as I can be, okay? If you don't like me, please don't watch me. If you don't like me, if you don't like my channel, don't click on it. If you're not subscribed, oh, that's okay. But don't attack my comment section. Like, I don't know, because right now, I don't know exactly what I'm trying to say, but it's just, I don't know, it's not needed, I guess. I don't really know. I'm not a bully person, and my son was attacked. I mean, we have a video on this and everything about the bullying, and I don't like it. I don't condone to it. And being on YouTube, and this is really good for everybody that wants to be a YouTuber, being on YouTube, you have to be extremely careful what you say. Extremely. Because there's always that one little troll or person or just that wants to make a ant pile into a mountain, an anthill into a mountain, and they make it into bigger than what it is. So you just have to be extremely careful. And you know, with that, all that drama, I think this was, God, you know, because I think it was 2 weeks ago or whatever, and that whole, you know, I'm transphobic or whatever, that's lies. It's lies, it's garbage, that's bullshit. Like, no, I really appreciate anybody. I respect somebody to the highest power if you come out and say you are coming out of the closet. Because I know, I read the statistics, the highest statistics of suicide is, I don't know how to say the word, but gay. I mean, it's horrible. Like, people should not be judged. They not should be judged of who they like. If a guy likes a guy and a girl likes a girl, so be it. And if you're a man and you want just like a girl, you're a girl that you want just like a man, so be it. Whatever makes you happy. And for someone to lie on me like that, it just turn it into straight, you know, and then people to look at me and be like, oh my God, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I love me some Jeffree Star. I'm tired of being ridiculed because I love him and I support him. There you go right there. I love Nikita Dragon. You know, I love James Charles, and they dress how they want to dress, and so be it. RuPaul. I love whoever. I love everybody. I do not judge anyone at all whatsoever. You don't believe in Jesus? That's yours. I'm not going to hate you for that. I'm not going to discard you for that, you know? And I just, like I said, you have to be extremely careful what you say because you have people always wanting to try to tear you down. And I guess what I'm trying to say is that, you know, I said that I didn't want to be notified if people are making videos about me. You know what I mean? I asked very nicely, and I'm not mad. But you know, that same person that has less than 200 subscribers, and I guess she thought, you know, saying my name was gonna get her up to at least 200. And honey, you started at 150 bag talking me and other YouTubers that are bigger than me, and you haven't even hit 200 subscribers. So maybe this is just not for you. Honestly, being a YouTuber to try to tear down people, I don't see it. I don't see you making a dime off of it. I guess you feel people want the drama. I mean, I guess some people would be into that. I'm not. I'm here on YouTube to do a job, to do something I love, I adore, I am passionate about. I love my channel, Samantha Sweet's Sweetie Squad. And this is also my escape in life. When I'm stressed out, I jump in my vlogging room and I talk to my family, my squad. So for you to keep making these videos, I mean, who am I? You're not gonna stop, because that's who you are, and that's okay. But you're not gonna stop because you didn't even stop for the other YouTubers. They didn't call you out on your shit. Me, I'm a little bit not quiet. I'm gonna tell you how I feel. And you're a bully, and you're basically here to tear people down. So good luck with that. But yeah, please stop putting lies about me. As far as everything else goes, I don't watch her videos, I don't support her, and I never will. And I guess she has her people going into my comment section or into my lives, and then I saw one of my subscribers say, why is the Sweetie Squad not attacking her? You know, guys, I kind of am glad you're not, because then she'll just make more videos on you. So it's like, you know, hopefully she'll find maybe another YouTuber to harass someday or to become obsessed over. But for now, we'll just let her have her moment in time, I guess, because it's not fame, honey. And as far as me, I don't feel I'm famous. I don't feel I am higher or bigger than anybody else. I'm just me. And like I said, we have to watch what we say. And there are some things that I am apologetic about that I said in my past videos, but that's neither here or there, because I'm human and I make mistakes. You know, I'm not supersonic. I'm not invincible. I'm not, there's another word I'm trying to, how you cannot die. I guess that's invincible, but there's another word. I'm not supernatural. I'm not none of those. I'm just me. I'm a human being. So I made mistakes, and that's that. But I'm going to continue to do videos and to continue to make merch and continue to keep thriving and flowing. And I just, like I said, I love my squad so much. I love my YouTube channel. I would never quit as much as you try. As much as you, I don't know, honestly. But, you know, if you put your effort into your channel and not other people's and belittling them, you know, maybe someday you will have your own merch and your, you know, type of crew or whatever. So, like I said, that's pretty much all I had to say about that notion. And I will be doing the Jeffree Star video tomorrow. But yeah, I needed to come on here. You know, there's no yelling, there's no cursing, there's no nothing. It's just exactly clearing up some things and thanking you guys so much for yesterday. Yesterday's day was humongous for me, and people that try to bring that day down for me, or people that try to take that moment away from me, A, shame on you, and B, haha, it didn't work. So yeah, I'm very calm right now. I've grown a lot on this channel, and I feel that I'm learning things each and every day, and I'm going through my own personal issues right now, some things that I'm working on. I've talked about it in my lives, that I can make myself more happier, and that's what I'm at right now. It's like, how can I make myself happy, or how can I make other people happy if I'm not happy? So I just want to keep on, you know, continue to focus on me and not letting little things bother me, and just keep on succeeding. I'm in it for the long haul. I love YouTube so much. I owe them so much, and I will say this all the time: without y'all, there's no me. And I'm so blessed for you guys, and you guys are just amazing. So I'm sure this video was not like, you know, but it was just something that just had to be said. So I will see you guys on my next video. Like I said, I'm so excited that you guys are able to purchase these. Like I said, either Friday they'll be done or Saturday, and you can get your very own purple and gold because you guys wanted it. So there you go. Now you have it. I love you guys so, so, so much. Bye.
Just like